all the way between my stinky toes. Yeah, now hurry up so I can take a nap. Good enough.
Use Tree gotta put that mutt in his place.
We already tried.
You tried the normal way. I gotta learn old Spike to fight the alley cat way. Dirty. Now the first thing you need to learn is the old horseshoe and the boxing glove trick. Ah! Here's another trick I know. It's the old misdirection. Hey, Tom, is that a tuna truck across the street? Or you can just use your claws and teeth. Like this. Now, you try it.
Hey, is that the world's biggest ball of yarn? Sorry, I'm too much of a dog. I can only fight fair.
Don't give up, Spike. We're all behind you.
Hey, doofus, get over here and fan me. Can't you see the sun is out? Hey, slow down. You trying to give me a brain freeze or something?